Okay, mom's cooking. Mom, what you cooking?
I'm just picking salt.
Huh? There's a lot of seeds in that lime lemon. Look at all those seeds. Show them. That's the seeds. I was about to go hop in the shower. I want to show y'all how she make buljol. She's making some buljol. It's really quick to prepare. We shredded the saltfish before because it comes in a bag whole, like a fillet, salted fillet, and you shred it. So now, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. That just, I can't take that noise. But yeah, we're back from the B30, 8:30, and we're gonna prepare this real quick because it's real fast. All we need to do is, once you, what are you doing? Cleaning it, rinsing it off, getting all the salt off, putting lime juice and stuff on there. We're gonna heat up the oil and you mix all the onions and tomatoes in a pan and pour the oil on there and cook it. And that's how we eat it. We eat it with bake. The bake that we've been eating for the past few days we've been here. Yeah, she's just rinsing that out. She got some hot boiling water in there. Washing the stuff off. She's just taking a bowl and squeezing it and putting it in there. Okay, now she's putting some chopped onions in the saltfish, y'all. You putting all of it down, y'all. What?
Make no sense.
Okay.
You ain't got nothing.
Alright. Tomatoes. Then you mix that up. Mixy, 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 mixy. Mixy, mix. Dang, Mama, your hand all in the way. Yes. Nice and like that. See? Easy. Buljol. Now we take the hot oil. The hot oil. How you know it's hot?
It's hot right now. Let me go.
Okay, here we go. Oh, you hear that? Yeah. Gotta go shh. There we go, there we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you get it black.
Oh, the black pepper?
Yeah, bring me black up. Don't worry.
Okay, we found black pepper.
Yes. Pepper. I said black pepper.
You sure that you not black and white pepper? Ali wants you.
Ali don't know what's sharing in the house?
Yeah, well, Mom, taste it. It's black pepper?
I can smell it.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good.
Smell good.
Yeah, yeah, bring that on.
Need some more oil.
Yeah, it's all
Need some more oil.
Pure ground black pepper.
Okay, we got some black pepper over there. You feel? There we go, that look better. Put on more oil.
Put some more black pepper.
For me? Okay, I'm jumping in, apparently. Shake a little bit in there. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Boy. Alright, that should be good.
More?
Mm-hmm. Might still need more, but this should be good. Might look like a lot of oil in there.
Yeah.
Are you talking about like for juice and stuff?
Yeah. What the juice?
Okay, y'all heard her. You need some more oil for the juice, the sauce and stuff. And then that's it, really, y'all, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Mm-hmm. Sizzle, sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Mom. Mom. Okay, great. I'm gonna take a shower now. This is the finished product. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and good. Mom's pieces over there. That's
Hit that wall like this.
alright.
Come
I'm
this
gonna
way.
eat now. Gonna eat.
Crazy.
Yum 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 yum.